Good morning everybody. My name is Advait and I am going to tell about monster stones, the story of a dinosaur fossil. Long ago, there were the earliest creatures living on the earth and they were called dinosaurs. And they all were hungry and they hadn't caught anything in days. Very soon, the earth's climate changed and all the dinosaurs died. The dinosaur bones lay on the riverbed and all kinds of animals like crabs and fishes came to feed on its body. Then all that remained were the bones. Layers of mud piled on top of the dinosaur bones. Each layer added more weight. As the years went by, something strange happened. And the surface around the dinosaur bones began to turn into stone. And then, millions of years later, humans appeared on the earth, and some of them were called paleontologists. Paleontologists are people who discover dinosaur fossils. One of the paleontologists found out this fossil in the ground, and they thought it was stone, but then they realized it wasn't stone, it was a dinosaur fossil. So the paleontologist set off with a team of helpers to set out to dig up the dinosaur fossil. When they were digging up the dinosaur fossil, they brushed off the dirt Good morning. They brushed off the dirt of the fossil bones and magnifying glasses were used to see where the fossil ended. Then each bone was carefully lifted out of the ground and wrapped in wet plaster. Then the bones wrapped in wet plaster were shipped to the museum. At the museum, they were kept in a storeroom along with lots of other. The paleontologist was waiting for a scientist to study them. After the fossils were studied, the paleontologist did careful drawings of the fossil bones and took pictures. Next, the paleontologist and her team began the long job of chiseling and drilling away bits of rock still left around the fossil bones. And then they polished the fossil bones until they shone. Then the paleontologist joined them together in thread, and at last it was done. Now the dinosaur fossil is on display at the museum. People come from all around the world to look at the famous creature that walked the